1. Premium raw materials. FlexingSeal utilizes 100% virgin material sourced from reliable and high-quality suppliers. Our commitment to using top-notch raw materials ensures a level of consistency in product batches. 2. Specialized manufacturing processes. Examining the scanning electron microscope (SEM) image below, it becomes apparent that within the same observation scale and equivalent area, SF100 tape exhibits a significantly higher fiber count with consistent length. Furthermore, the distribution of air between SF100 series nodes is more uniform, providing superior filling, anti-creep properties, and consistent material performance. 3. Extended service life. Crafted with a specialized process, FlexingSeal features a highly fibrous and uniformly textured construction. This unique composition enhances resistance to creep and ensures temperature stability, resulting in a prolonged service life. This characteristic reduces maintenance time for our clients.